Hey everyone, Sean here. Wanted to just use an old credit card that doesn't get used anymore to make a quick video demonstration for getting banking activity that hasn't shown on the statement yet into a format that underwriting will accept. With the banking activity, they have two main concerns. Number one, there can't be any gaps in the activity. They need to see like if there are deposits in the meantime that need to source and that type of thing. And then number two, if it is not on an official statement, they need to basically make sure it came directly from the website. So that's why they won't accept a mobile screenshot or an Excel export. And we send the written instructions on this too, but there was a site on that is no longer there, so we wanted to make one of our own. No, it seems on the written instructions kind of complicated, but hopefully it's not as hard as it sounds. So you're basically going to just want to go into the account you want the activity for. Typically just on the account home screen, you'll have the transactions at the bottom. So we do need to make sure they go back to the last statement that we have. So you may, end up needing to expand to go back far enough. Typically, we want to avoid searching for transactions. We're definitely not trying to just search for the one transaction, and we need to make sure there's no gaps. So searching by dates, that's totally fine, but we're definitely not searching for the one transaction. And then once you have the activity up on your screen, you're basically just going to go in like as if you're printing a physical copy. So on Windows, you just hold down Control and then hit P. Now it's going to open up the print menu. I'm sure in a lot of cases you're going to have a printer there, but actually if you select Adobe PDF, if you print Adobe PDF, it is going to basically save a PDF on your computer, and this is what it looks like over here. And then also the other step of this is to make sure, they know it came directly from the website. They need you to basically enable headers and footers so it shows the URL at the bottom. So typically you need to expand this more settings menu, and then you go way down to the bottom here. Again, this is on Chrome. And when you select headers and footers, you'll see the URL fill at the bottom here. So doing that, and it refreshed, and now we have the URL at the bottom. And from there, you basically just print, and rather than printing a physical copy, it's going to have you just, save it to your computer. So I'm doing that. It's under a test folder here, and it should pop right up right there, and, it'll have everything that you saw on your screen and in your activity, on the preview of the print should be all there on the PDF. URL is at the bottom. And they know sometimes the format of this isn't the best, so it's like as long as they can at least read the transactions, make sure nothing's doctored, make sure it has the URL or at least that footers were enabled. That should be really all there is to it. So, all right, thanks. Have a good one.